Right, so where we are now, so we're just increasing the depth of these 4-inch rafters to 6-inch. That's going to enable us to get the insulation in and go from there. Oh yeah, we've done this cross beam member across here as well for where the top of the ceiling is going to be. So that's all fixed in here. Got cross members on there, look, on there. We've got the ones which were part of the existing roof and further down. Yeah, not long now. Right on. So now we started getting the Kingston in. You see how it's fitting in there. Then there's going to be a 25mm sheet over the top of there. Alright, see there? There's the Kingston. And there's the 25mm bridging layer. Not bad. We've got it in there and on the centre. Yeah, get all this side done. We've got this framed out here now. Box this off. There's been a bit of a change of plan with what the client wants. He wants a wall here now. Yeah. So we've got these in here. So this is where the hallway ceiling is going to be now. Yeah, it's coming together. Right on, so 25mm on. We've put the foil tape over the joints. That's giving us our vapour barrier. We should put little squares on over the fixing points as well. On the top of there. So we're going to get onto that wall. And this stuff stinks, doesn't it, Tom? Yeah. So the difference on that side to that side. But yeah, we've got our temporary lights back up. That's just for where the main lights. So all this is working by smart technology. So there's actually no physical switches, but we can have some remote kinetic switches added to it. Also, those will think about if the internet goes down. Not internet control. Well, it is. That's if you're out and about in your house, but you can use it as a local area network or LAN control. All will become clear. Skylight there. So obviously before we can insulate all this, we're going to get the skylight in. So we'll just remove some tiles for now. See what we're working with. And there'll be reinforced timbers here, reinforced timbers here. Actually no, I think this one's coming out and that one's coming out. And they're going to be here. We've got to look at the chimney well here. So let's have a look out here. And what I want to do is... Yeah, can you see the stack there? How crappy it is. Because there's been getting some rain in there. What I'm going to do later is climb up over the top and have a look.
That's them done.
Right, so we've double strength these, haven't we, Tom?
Yeah, made them a double trimmer.
Double trimmer, that's the word. Same on there.
Double rafters, really.
Yeah.
Because they're part of the roof.
So we're going to be cutting the centre one out now, aren't we?
Yeah.
And then we need to position where we're having the...
And we're putting a single there, and we're going to nail back
to brace, yeah.
To
brace that same top and bottom.
The pair will carry that bit anyway.
Yeah.
But we'll still put one there anyway. But this shouldn't drop that much because it's near the top, so there's not a lot of weight on it.
Yeah.
So it's about...
We've got it braced and everything, yeah.
But your Velux being head height.
Yeah.
So the top of the window is just in line with your head. So that's how you line this up, the height of it. Because if it's down here, you're going to be down
it's wasted, isn't it? It's wasted light as well.
You won't see most of it. Plus,
but you can see how much light it is now just with that opening.
Yeah,
what you're getting
it's going
in
higher.
Yeah.
So there'll be more light.
Yeah, more light. So we'll get that middle one cut out now.
Yeah.
Jobs are good.
Jobs are good. Yeah.
Right, the Velux is in. So you can see here, the tiles run past. There's a lip there. So what you're going to do is make sure the tiles run past so any water runs off, down. These tiles have been chamfered, so that'll stick on today when we take the sticky back off. These all fly past. That's just held up there just so we can get the tiles in. Just cutting the last two pieces to fit in there. And that'll be it, jobs are good. And then we can get the window in. Bone dry. Yeah, looks good. And if we look at it from this side, and if we look at it from this side, you can see These have been strengthened, been doubled up. There's the old one, there's a new one, there's the old one, there's a new one, and then there'll be 25mm Kingston to go on there, so we don't have a cold bridge. That'll get insulated across the top of there and either side around it as well. Check them pins again.
Yeah, just check the pins. They automatically pop out, but it's best off just checking. Just
then it's not going to fall out, is it?
Yeah, and then you can...
Goes all the way around?
All the way around, just shut it. There you go, job done.
Job done. Look at that. Huh?
You can have a look outside if you want.
Oh, thanks.
How neat that is. Sorry.
You nearly had me. Yeah, so that'll get stuck down eventually. You haven't took the sticky back off there, have you, mate?
Yeah, I have, yeah.
Oh, you have? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I just got pushed it down.
Yeah. It's better when the heat... It's better when the heat's on it, though. So.
Well, the heat is on.
It's on the street?
It's on the street.
Yeah. Yeah, not bad, not bad.
The heat is on. It's on the street.
There's another job out the way. Right. Had a 25mm on now. Got this up around the window, taped up. Down here. Back wall here. Job's good and can't see with the sun. So now we're just going to get some board on the bottom half out with it.
Yeah.
So
yeah, just get sockets on.
Get sockets on.
I've got power everywhere.
Yeah.
And get the ceiling bit done as well, this strip in the middle. So
Yeah.
get the spots permanently.
Oh,
as
this
well.
nice seal. Yeah. Yeah, it's a pick, get the spots. Yeah, cool. Looking good. Let's get these on. Right, boys and girls, as you can see, we've got this place boarded out now. There, all the way around. We've got the skylight in there. You've seen that in this video. We'll be getting this wall here dotted dab next week, same as the opposite wall. And then getting these wires. We'll get these lights in. But you can see dropped here. Remember, this is just my stunt double lights until we get them working correctly. So we've got the stairs in, we've got the floor in, we've got the walls in, insulated and everything else. So if you wouldn't mind, if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, write a comment. Alright, somebody asked about insulation in the last video, so I hope I've dealt with that a bit in this video. But yeah, just keep commenting, keep liking, keep sharing and subscribing. Thank you very much, guys. See you soon.